In QuoteWerks, the Insert Document feature allows you to take an existing document and insert it into another. To use the Insert Document feature, navigate to File, and then select Insert Document. This opens the Select Document to Insert into Current Document window. Here you can search documents using the company, document number, or document name, and you can use operators like equal to, contains, begins with, and more. Select the field you would like to search for next to Lookup, select your operator, and use the search field to input your search criteria. When you hit Enter or select the magnifying glass icon, a list of documents that match your criteria are displayed. At the bottom of the window, you can choose to refresh the prices of items that are inserted, which will make sure the most recent pricing is included for items inserted into the quote. There is also a checkbox to insert the items at the end of the current document. To insert a document, simply double-click on the document you would like to insert. As you can see, it adds the items from the selected document into the currently open one, and because we selected Insert the items at the end of the current document, this is where they appear. If you have questions or would like to learn more, feel free to review our help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.